Thinking about trying Marshmallow Insurance but not sure if it's right for you? Let's break it down in a way that actually helps you decide. Marshmallow is a digital first car insurance provider that's built with younger drivers and expats in the UK in mind. Instead of long phone calls and confusing paperwork, everything happens online. Quick, simple, and tailored. One of the biggest reasons people look into Marshmallow is price. Their premiums are often lower than traditional insurers because they lean heavily on technology to streamline the whole experience. You can get an instant quote, customize your plan, and lock in coverage without you waiting around. It's great for anyone who just wants to get insured and get on with their day. Flexibility is another strong point. Marshmallow offers different coverage options, including pay-as-you-go plans. If you don't drive often or you're someone who only uses a car occasionally, this can help you avoid overpaying for a standard yearly policy. It's built for real-life habits, not outdated insurance models. Managing your policy is done entirely through their mobile app. You can view documents, update details, or start a claim right from your phone. No more digging through emails or sitting on hold with customer service. Speaking of service, customers often highlight how responsive Marshmallow's support team is. When something goes wrong, or you just have a quick question, help is easy to reach. Transparency is also part of their appeal. Their policies are laid out clearly, with straightforward pricing and no buried surprises. For anyone who's new to the UK, young, or just tired of fine print, that level of clarity makes a difference. So, is Marshmallow Insurance worth considering? Absolutely, especially if you're a younger driver, an expat, or someone who wants affordable coverage without the hassle. The combination of competitive pricing, flexible plans, and app-based policy management makes it stand out in a crowded market. If you do decide to try it out, you'll find helpful links in the description to get started quickly. And if this review gave you a clearer picture, a like or a subscription goes a long way in helping the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.